All right, so the harmonic balancer is out. Now we can get to these screws down here and get the water pump out. So you can see oil is already leaking, gushing out of this screw, this hole here, because this is the engine block. And behind the water pump, this thing has a metal gear and is being driven by the gear system in the back. So we're gonna take that out. Let me get that. Again, this is a 2021, sorry, I keep mixing it up. 2021 Audi SQ8 twin turbo 4.0. And then we got to get this little guy out here. Might have to replace this hose maybe. It's a lot of stuff you want to replace because you don't want to end up doing this job twice. Okay, this sensor, I don't know what the heck that is. Make sure drain pan is down there, and then slightly, ooh, I'm gonna have to do an oil change again on this thing. This thing's gonna gush out. It's gonna bleed. Yep, this thing is gonna bleed some oil. Yeah, this water pump was done. These things tend to leak without seep, without realizing. See that gear? That's how the new one looks. Ooh. So I gotta, it's already 11 p.m. I'm gonna cover this area up because we don't want no contaminants getting inside of there. And let me take these gloves off. I feel like a surgeon performing surgery, and that's pretty much what a mechanic is. And there you have it. Here, point the light like this. More clear. Germany. Bentley, Porsche. So, yeah, this is a pretty big job, man. But again, I think we started like around, what was it, 7 p.m., 7:30?
Somewhere around there.
8 o'clock. And it's 11 p.m. and this thing's all apart. Tomorrow's another day, and the next video is another video. We'll be posting it up piece by piece. I don't do editing. I'm new to all of this. Just posting it up for you guys out there in case you're wondering, like I did, like there's not much videos out there of people really doing this here in particular. So I'm making it happen for whoever needs it, and they have an overall view of the whole front here. You got to be patient and don't destroy clips. Take your time. For example, little clips like this, you have to pull back this red clip and then push down so it can pop off. And then the screws, like I said in the other video, there's a bunch of screws. You want to be patient with this. And I believe whatever, this is probably an oil pressure sensor. This thing right here, I got to take it out and put it on the new water pump. But I gotta cover this up. I gotta clean that dirt that's in there. Not good. Some dirt fell in there. There's dirt up here. Should have blew all this out. But it'll be fine. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.